Hello everyone, welcome to new video. Today I am going to share about Flexclip AI. How you can make videos or generate videos by using AI video editor or generator. Flexclip is one of them. It's a powerful video editor tool and all-in-one web tool for recording or creating videos, movies or slideshows in minutes. You can cut a clip from your video quickly and make it far more dynamic with the combination of text and voice recording. Flexclip powerful editing tools allow you to take full control over the video appearance, background music and more. If you are a content creator or marketer or small businesses, this tool is for you. This is an alternative to Adobe Premiere, iMovie and Capwing. Now I am going to share about how Flexclip video editor works. Now first we will go from appsumo website to Flexclip website, then click on sign up. Now we will complete the registration of Flexclip. Here you can see the AI. You can generate AI text to video, AI image generator, AI auto subtitle, AI video, and we can see the AI text to video. So now I am planning to use AI text to video. So I have to click here first, then generate videos, and first of all I have to click text to video here. So click here, I have to put my text or type something like I want to make a video like Canada City. Okay, so Canada City, then I have to copy from here and paste it here, and now generate. So simple, it's generating videos for me. So you can see Flexclip give me some clip. I have to add them to on timeline, so add to timeline. So video is ready for you, so I click on the start button. Okay, so it's video like an informational video, and you can use media template text videos, stock videos from here, stock images from here, like you want to use Canada footage. So you can use stock footage about Canada City from here. Just click on plus icon. Then it will adjust to your videos. I think you can understand how Flexclip can help you to generate videos from text. It's a paid tool. Now we will see how the product is priced. It's at $9.99 and business $19.99 per month. So you can buy also from appsumo, because appsumo is currently 83% off and only $69 with lifetime access, with an overall rating of 4.7 from 438 reviews and 60 days money back guarantees. Okay, and I will give you an affiliate link on my video description. If you use this link, you can get extra 10% discount on this platform. I think you will enjoy this tool, and if you enjoy this tool, please subscribe or follow this channel or page and comment us below. See you again in the next video. Thank you.